Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to do this abacha and lettuce. It's abacha that has a lot of vegetable it needs in, and it is also healthy for you. So you want to melt down your account or your ungo. This is ungo, so I am going to add my oil to it in order to make what they call ncha, just to make it a little bit thicker with the oil. So I want to turn them and just to let it thicken small, and then add crayfish, add maggi, and stir. So after stirring, I have to add the next ingredient, which is called the abacha. This abacha has been soaked, and you're going to turn it with your hands. The best way to turn it is your hands. If you use the fork or the spoon, um it will not incorporate together. You will only find you will always get whitish parts out of it. So I advise you to use your hands. So I'm using my gloves, so you can use your own clean hands without the gloves. After all, you're eating them. It's yours and nobody else. So I'm going to add carrots. This is just a healthy option of African salad, which they call abacha. So I'm going to now put the carrots and also turn. The next thing I'm going to put is this shrimp, which is optional. This is my own choice of protein. You can add something else for yourself. And I'm going to add lettuce. This lettuce are baby lettuce. You can see that it has different colors, the red lettuce and the green lettuce. So I am going to turn them together. As you're doing this, you can add salt if you want, but I think the maggi that I put is enough for the abacha and the veg. I'm going to turn them together and make sure they all go inside so that you don't see it on top. So I'm adding pepper. You can add any type of pepper you want. This I'm adding pepper. I'll add onion to this and then turn again to make sure the onions go inside the abacha so that you will have a very lovely taste. So I added uziza to this, and uziza is so lovely for this recipe as well. You can add scent leaves. Honestly, do your abacha in a different places. You can't just do the normal. Sometimes you can't be normal. You can just make things extraordinary, right? Just turn them together and voila, it is ready. Please don't forget to like this video and share to your friends and add fish, and you are good to go. Bye. Thank you.